Hello guys! Dumating na po si Princess natin galing sa school. Habang nag-i-study po sila, magluluto po ako ng pang-lunch. Ito guys, yung ipipreto natin. Ulam nila Princess at saka sila. Ibuboil ko lang siya sa tubig. Ayan, isaw-saw lang sa bagoong kalamansi. Masarap na yan. Guys, napakahilig ni Princess ng mga matatamis. Tignan nyo, oh, dumating sa school. Hala, oh, nagdala na naman ng mga ito. Mugo-mugo daw. Anong tawag dito? Push-pop. Oh, push-pop. Ano ba yan? Lollipop yata yan eh.
Hindi, lollipop, pero pwede mo gawin ng soy.
Ano pa yung binili mo? Ala, my gosh. Oh, ito pa oh. Tawag dito.
Favorite ni Kuya.
Oh, study na, study na. Tanggalin mo yung jacket mo kasi pinapawisan ka yata. Makulit kay ma'am ha. Mag-aral ng mabuti.
Okay.
Alright. So, which endangered animal has a magic horn? Yeah, which one? Or how do you call that animal? It's rhino. Yeah, it's a potato. It's a rhinoceros. Right. These animals, they live on the grasslands of Africa and Asia. You know why they have magic horn and why they are called magic horn? Because they can get a lot of money for one horn of a rhino. So in some countries, the horn is thought to be magical. Why? It can be carved into a dagger handles or ground up for medicine. So this one you call it rhinoceros.
Rhinoceros.
Yeah. Okay. And here, so what other animals are endangered? We also have the elephants as well. They are also endangered. They are they are dying out already. Okay. So which one? Okay, let's move on. Let's move on. Okay. Look, even these polar bears are also at risk. Why are they at risk? Because they are hunted for their, how do you call this? The body covering of the bear. How do you call it? Polar bears used to be hunted for their fur. Okay. But you know what? Their biggest threat now, it's the overheating of the planet.
Overheating?
Yeah. It's getting too hot already because of the pollution in the air. So when the ice in the Arctic melts, you know what will happen? The bears won't be able to roam freely already to search for their food. Okay? For the others, for the baby seals naman, okay, you know what they do? Because the other people, they're still getting them. Here, for this one first, they're getting them for their fur as well. So, to protect them, you know what they do? The people there in Canada, okay, in Canadian Arctic, you know what they do? They spray them with colored dye.
Why?
So that it would be already useless to the hunters because the hunters are looking for pure fur, the white fur. But since it's sprayed with a colored dye, they say, we can't get it now. We can't get that fur. We can't kill that the seal. We will just leave them. That's what they do. So there's no money for them in that sense. Okay. Which endangered whale has a unicorn's horn? This is the one. This one is called narwhal. Again, narwhal. Narwhal is a kind of whale which lives in the Arctic seas. The males are also hunted for their tusk. Yeah, which looks like a unicorn's horn.
And they will sell it, right?
Yeah, they will sell it also. And then, okay, many hunters will take their horn, then there will come a day that will also become extinct.